Good evening and a very warm welcome. This evening's activity brings to me a unique sense of warmth and camaraderie as we are here to signify to the public our intention to honor the evolving story of the People's National Party as we mark the attainment of our 75th anniversary.
The respect for the blood, sweat, and tears of our forebears, the People's National Party set out across this country on a mission to contribute to the formation of a nation. A strong, independent, and resilient people, establishing the attributes of a modern Jamaica, reflective of the dreams of the countless unnamed heroes and heroines who knew, despite their personal hardships, that a better way of life could be achieved in this space that is Jamaica.
The activities will cover the entire space of Jamaica, here and elsewhere. The 6 regions of the party will be very, very closely involved. We have a basket of choices for them: dinners, concerts, family days, sports competitions, religious services, and Bunny, even musical festivals. We're going to ask the regions to bid for those events and to come up with any ideas of their own. We will also include specific participation from the arms, the youth organization, the women's movement, and the National Workers' Union, focusing on labor, on youth, and our women.